dust on the pew where I knelt last year still carries the weight of every fear. My hands were clenched like stones in prayer, too tired to lift, too numb to care. Then morning light touched the altar rail, not bright enough to burn, but strong enough to unveil the space between my doubt and your reply was never wide, just waiting for me to try. Lift your name above the smoke and strain. It's not perfection that you require, just remain. Every stumble, every tear I've known meets mercy standing where I stand alone. I brought my silence, you brought a song. Not loud at first, but steady, strong. It grew inside like roots in clay, until my breath began to sway. Smoke and stray. It's not perfection that you require, just remain. Every stumble, every tear I've known meets mercy standing where I stand alone. You don't ask for wings, just feet that walk the road. You don't need a crown, just a heart that's unafraid to unload. Lift your name above the smoke and stray. It's not perfection that you require, just remain. Every stumble, every tear I've known meets mercy standing where I stand alone. Where I stand, you are there.
I will listen hard to get your hands together. Mess up, love, mama, put your hands together. And don't miss me.
I came in quiet, head hung low. Carried burdens I couldn't show. The air was thick with yesterday's regret, but something stirred. I'm not done yet.
Can you feel it doesn't now?
Yeah.
Is your spirit breaking loose?
We're not waiting for a sign.
We making sound.
Feet on floor and hearts unbound.
Oh, you meet us in the
Lest we break
and turn our whisper into song. Yeah. No polished words, no rehearsed grace, just trembling hands and this open space where broken voices find their place and doubt dissolves in
holy base.
Who's got room best performance song.
No. You don't need my best performance.
No.
Just my real and ragged presence.
Yeah.
So I drop the mask right here.
Right here.
And lift what's left with you.
We're not waiting for a sign.
We make dig song.
Freedom, glory, and hearts unbound.
Hey! You meet us in the
As we bring
and turn our whisper into song. Whisper into song.
whisper into song.
Into song.
Into song.
Into song.
Into song.
It's more. It's more. It's more. It's more. Into song.
Into song.
Into song.
Into song.
My coffee's cold, my shoes untied. Missed the bus, forgot to pray. The mirror shows tired eyes, but something hums beneath the gray. I didn't bring a perfect heart, just this ache I can't explain. Still the music starts to start when I whisper your name. I'm still dancing in the middle of my doubt, not because I've got it figured out, but your rhythm finds me in the clutter, in the chaos. You stay. No choir robes, no stained glass light, just my kitchen off-key praise. But the groove feels strangely right, like you've known these clumsy days. I'm still dancing in the middle of my doubt, not because I've got it figured out, but your rhythm finds me in the clutter, in the chaos. You stay.